there, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be using my new gouache palette to try some painting. I haven't used it yet, so I thought we would give it a go and see how it works. My sketchbook has not arrived yet, but I found this piece of Arches 140-pound hot press paper laying on my desk, and I decided we would just use that. I've taped it down with some blue painter's tape so that it will help it keep from warping. The picture there is from a site called Unsplash. I'll put a link to them down in the description box. They are a freebie site where you can go get pictures. And for me, it was easier to use a reference photo to kind of draw my lines because I have no drawing artistic ability whatsoever. So having a picture made it a little bit easier kind of to decide where I wanted to put stuff. I'm going to use my porcelain palette there, a paintbrush, and then my gouache. I'm going to use a couple of blues, white, black, an orange, and a yellow today. I try to keep it to a minimum amount. Also, I was watching YouTube videos the other day, and I watched one on gouache, and the person I was watching said it works best if you do not use the gouache straight out of the tube or out of the pan there and just paint it right on the paper. It's kind of thick, I guess, and it didn't work as good. I have not tried that, but I'm going to take her advice and I'm going to put a little bit of water in there. And she says it's best if you start with it as a thick soup consistency, kind of a creamy, thick soup. So that's what I did. I put a bunch of water into my paint palette just to liquidate it a little bit, and then I'm going to add it to my page. I got the page quite wet down to my mountain line, and then I'm just going to let the paint run down the page. I have my clipboard tipped up on end so that the paint will just run straight down there. And there I'm taking my paintbrush after I daubed it off and just sucking the water up with my paintbrush so it doesn't create that big, huge bubble right there. And this line actually worked out perfect. I'm going to use that line there as my guide for my top of my mountains. Even though that's not the line I originally drew, that is what I'm going to use for that. So anyway, I haven't used gouache before. I thought it'd be fun to kind of do some experimenting. That's the whole idea behind this background here. I thought that would be fun to just let it run down the page and make it look like clouds and sky and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the video, and when I get to the end I will let you know what I thought of the gouache and how I liked it, or if we'll be doing it again. I'll see you at the end. So there we have it, guys, our finished painting using gouache. Did I like using it? Yes. Will I be using it again? Definitely. Maybe we'll try to paint a character or some flowers or something next time. So I hope you had fun painting with me today. If you have a question, leave me a comment down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Otherwise, I hope you are having a fabulous day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.